Good morning. I am Father Joyan, CSSR, Redemptorist Priest, currently posted in Sankeli, but I come from Mangalore, and St. Francis Xavier has been part of my childhood itself because I belong to the parish of St. Francis Xavier in Mangalore, a place called Saverapura, which comes from his name. Saverapura means Francis Xavier's place. So I'm very happy to be here in his shrine. I've been studying here in Goa, and right now I'm in Goa for almost 2.5 years. And every year I come here, and it's been my blessing, and it's a grace-filled moment for me to witness the place where Francis Xavier worked, and this is my dream come true. And every year when I come, I see many people with a lot of devotion come here and pray to Saint Francis Xavier, and they get their prayers answered through the intercession of Saint Francis Xavier. That's that that miracle, that blessing, the presence of God that can be experienced here in Old Goa. So, as we are doing the novenas to Saint Francis Xavier and upcoming feast, I wish all of you that all your prayers may be answered, and may God bless you.